Allowing guests to check in earlier or check out later than your usual hours gives them a great experience, but could lead to double bookings or overlapping guest stays at your listing. Let's learn how to prevent that with calendar blocks before an early check-in or after a late checkout. First, make sure your default check-in and checkout hours are set for the listing under Pricing and Policies in the Reservation Policies tab. Click Edit right here, fill in the times, and tick this box to decide when a check-in is considered early, and here to decide when a checkout is considered late. Click Save, and from now on, whenever the check-in or checkout times change for a reservation, earlier or later than the times you set, an automatic block will be created in the calendar for the night before or after the reservation to prevent it from being booked. Keep in mind, the automatic blocks will be created only for future reservations. For current reservations or any other reservation-specific need, you can also manually block the night before an early check-in or the night after a late checkout. To do that on the reservation page, click here, tick these boxes, and click Save. To manually block in the calendar, click the relevant reservation, then here, select Edit Reservation, then Dates, tick these boxes, and click here to save the changes. In addition, unticking these boxes will remove any manual or automatic block if needed. Now click Save, and that's it. Your guests can now enjoy better, smoother service, while you can be sure there are no double bookings in your calendar. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.